Hello guys, I hope you are doing good. Welcome back to your scholarship guide, the scholarship journey. Today we'll be discovering one of the most generous scholarship in one of the best African universities, and also in an African Pan-Africanist university. So we'll be talking about this right program that we call the Mastercard Foundation Scholar Program. So without wasting any time, we will go straight to the point, and then I will tell you regarding this scholarship, the eligibility criteria, the benefit of the scholarship, the deadline, and the application process as well. So if you are new here, I invite you to subscribe and also to click on the notification button so that you don't miss anything regarding scholarship abroad. So let's go directly to this scholarship. So as you can see here, the University of Pretoria, in partnership with the Mastercard Foundation Scholar, is currently opening to high achieving African students who are already in their first year of a master's degree program, with study commencing in January 2024. Additionally, applicant to the program for both undergraduate and postgraduate study for the 2025 will commence in May. So we go straight down here. If you are interested to the program, you will see here the different program here: the University of Pretoria application process, the Mastercard Foundation Scholar, the eligibility criteria, and the duration of the program. So we just come here, right, interested, and then here we will see how to apply and what are the eligibility criteria. But right, we come here, how to apply. The Mastercard Foundation Scholar Program is intended for students who have applied to and been accepted into one of the specified program at the University of Pretoria. So before applying to this scholarship, you need to apply to the University of Pretoria here in one of the eligible program and been accepted, and after that you can apply to the program. So the eligible program is here. Okay, so see the Faculty of Natural and Agricultural Sciences, the Faculty of Economic and Management Studies, Faculty of Humanities, and Faculty of Engineering, Built Environment, Information Technology, Faculty of Law, and Faculty of Education. So your program should be in one of these 5 program of studies. So you need to check on this program and check that you are eligible before starting your application. So once you've done this thing and you are eligible, then you go down here to the eligibility criteria, and as you can see here, the application process the deadline is 30th of April 2024. It still have many more than 25 days. Okay, so first one is this scholarship is open for first year student, master student at the University of Pretoria. Eligible candidate, you can apply until 30th of April 2024. The program is aimed at African youth facing significant socioeconomic challenges, including refugees, internally displaced persons, and individuals with disability seeking to pursue higher education. So the third one is applicant must exhibit leadership qualities. So you should be someone who really has leadership qualities and commitment to community service through involvement in project, school activities, or religious organizations, demonstrating a dedication to making a difference. Okay, so scholar also must demonstrate outstanding academic performance. You should have a high GPA. Maintaining a high academic average as a critical component of the program expectation. I will show you the program expectation because this program is really for future leaders in Africa. So you need to be someone who is involved in community service through involvement in project and school activity and those kind of program for you to apply to this wonderful program here. So the first one is to initiate the application process. You need to download this program here, this file here, PDF, and ensure that all the supporting document included in your submission. You will see here, we go click here, this program, this PDF format. You will download it and then you will fill it. Okay, so we'll take time to read it. Okay, so the document are here, the proof of registration. We need to give them a proof of registration to the program and then get accepted, and if not, we cannot apply to the program. So there are many documents here that we need to take time. Okay, because this is an information video, so you need to just try to grasp the idea and then make your own research and then download the application file so that you just fill it and then submit your application. So this is the kind of the file that you will see, and then after that you just fill it. Once you finish to fill this form, you will submit it. I will show you here, right here, how to submit the file. And note that this scholarship you can only apply to after getting accepted. So once you will download it, you go to step 2. You submit your application electronically to this email here, or you deliver a printed copy to the Department for Education, Innovation and Reception located in the IT building. So you will upload, you will submit your application, this file that you have filled, and then the supporting document, you will upload them here. And then step 3 is post submission. Your application will undergo a review process. You will be notified of the outcome afterward. If you do not hear back from us, please assume your application was not successful. So if you apply and then you did not get accepted, you know that the application was not accepted. You did not get any email. So the step 4 is prior to admission into the program. All eligible candidates will undergo an interview as part of the selection process. So you need to make sure that you wait an interview for you to pass to the next step. So what are the benefit of this program? So we go to the program design here, right here, and then you will see here the Mastercard Foundation Scholarship Scholar. They have comprehensive funding. They will fund tuition fees, accommodation, book stipend and transportation, academic support in the children program, mentoring, counseling support, service and experiential learning, community engagement, transition support, entrepreneurship skills, leadership skills and alumni connection. So all of these programs are really benefit for you to develop your skills, strengthen your character, and also deepen your knowledge in your field. And after that, what the Mastercard Foundation Scholar cover? So we will cover, you will see here what are the expensive that is scholarship cover for you. So it covers the full tuition fees, so you don't need to worry about your tuition fees. Accommodation in University of Pretoria residence, you will have an accommodation in this university, so they will also provide meals. You don't need to worry about food. And then book and printed material, and also they will also give you materials for your study, and also modest monthly stipend, medical aid. When you are sick, they will provide a medical aid, and then travel cost, one return trip for the duration of the study period, cost of one visa application for the duration of the study period also. So as you can see here, this is a fully funded scholarship, but you need to be really someone who is engaged in community service, have leadership, at least leadership skills, at least 1 or 2, and also know someone that you are going for this program, so that after the program you give back to your country and also develop your country as part of the alumni connection. So that was all for today. And if you still have questions regarding the program, or you need help about how to apply, you can directly join my WhatsApp group. You will connect with the other scholarship seeker, and then I will answer to your question and give you queries. So thank you so much, and see you in the next video.